Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Remy Mattison. I'm so sorry that my voice is all foggy and my face is all puffy. I'm sick, kind of. I'm not really sure. I'm like fading in and out of being sick, but whatever. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, which I think you will. Join the Tiger Ambush. I'd love to have you. And follow me on Instagram at Remy Mattison because I post some cute stuff sometimes. 2020 is saying goodbye to the super long intros unless I have something really important to say, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. Today I'm going to be demonstrating, teaching you, giving you a tutorial on how to make your shuffling look huge. Basically what I mean by that is how to travel when you shuffle, how to make use of your space, expand your shuffling so that you look like a pro, even if you're just doing really simple moves. So how to travel and move around when you're shuffling. So without further ado, if you're down to shuffle with me, if you're down to get a little lesson right now, keep watching and let's get into it.
Okay, so the first way to travel while you shuffle is to just do the simple crossover move. You've probably done this in your gym class at some point. So this is what the move would look like. I'm just going to break it down into simple steps. Again, you've probably done this in your gym class. You're just going to cross one foot over the other and travel to the side. Pretty straightforward. So basically all you need to do is cross one foot over the other. You can even switch it up and do a double crossover of one foot over the other while you're traveling to the side. Once you got your crossovers figured out, you can start shuffling and incorporate your crossovers into your movements. So my second tip or way of traveling while you shuffle, I'm not really sure of the name of this, but I like to call it the back cross hop. I love this to travel. It's so much fun. And this is close to the first one I showed you where you're just crossing one foot over the other, but this one relies solely on the back foot to hop off. So I'm just going to break it down for you now, nice and simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap your back foot, pick up your front foot, then you're going to cross the back foot over to the other side. Again, pick up your front foot. It's sort of a pivot on your back foot, and then you're going to move to the side while picking up your front foot and tapping your back. And when you get comfortable and pick up the speed, it's going to look like this. And the third way to travel while shuffling is a fun way. You just kind of kick your leg out to the side to get some momentum so you fly across the room. So I personally prefer to do this move with the doll crisscross shuffle, but you can always do it with the regular shuffle. So basically what you're going to do is start shuffling, and then you'll kick one of your back legs out. You just kind of swing it out to the side, and it's going to pull you all the way across the room. So you're going to start with your running man, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to take your back leg, kick it out, and it's going to pull you all the way to the side, or you can do a high leg kick. Some people like to do that, so you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then kick yourself out to the side, pulling yourself across the room with your momentum. So in order for this to look smooth, once you get the hang of kicking your leg out, you can work on your transition. So the leg you kick out can move into another shuffle and you can go off, sis.
Okay, so I'm super out of breath, so I'm going to make this really quick, but that is all for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if this was useful and if you learned something, and if you like, I'll do a lot more of these because I love to shuffle, and I love to learn to shuffle. As always, never forget to hit the motherfucking subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Peace. Bye.